Hi, my name is Tim, and for United Hacks V7, I built an app called LastSeen AI, an AI power app that acts like a second set of eyes, helping users quickly find everyday items that matter most. My inspiration behind this app was one of my roommates has blind spots in his vision that can make it difficult for him to find everyday items. One day he couldn't find his TV remote. After searching for several minutes, he became frustrated and started wondering if someone else in the house had moved the remote. A few moments later, we found the remote sitting on a table. Watching that experience and his frustration made me ask a simple question: what if AI could help people find where they lost their things? Now let me show you how LastSeen AI works. When you first open the app, you're greeted here with the welcome screen. You can click Get Started to create a new account, use your Apple account, or in my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. This will go out to Google Firebase and Authenticate. Here I'm taken to the home screen after I've successfully signed in, and you can see my past items that I have saved in the app to help me find already, but in this demo, we're going to add a new item. So how to do that, we come in here and we click Remember an Item. We pick from this category here about commonly misplaced items, glasses, keys, wallets, medications, remote, and anything else. I'm going to click Remote. I'm going to take a picture of my remote. And it's going to verify the photo, and I'll click Use Photo. Now it's going to send the photo to Gemini AI, and it's going to get details about the photo. And these details are stored within the app, which helps the app helps the user locate the item. So you can see we got the photo, it's a remote control, where I usually keep, and some extra notes that Gemini picked up about the remote, like the brand. And I'll click Save. Now, when I need to find my item, like most people, I usually throw my remote on a table with a bunch of other items. So I'll come into my app here, and I will select my item, remote control. It'll say my usual spot is on the bedside nightstand, so I'll check there first and I don't see it. So then I'll open the AI assistant. And the AI assistant, I can turn on a flashlight to help me find, and I can zoom in and out. And the AI assistant will scan the area. And when it finds my remote or the item that I'm searching for, it'll put a yellow box around it, and then it'll say Found out loud. And you can see when I move away, it disappears until I go back. And then when it's found, I click Done. And also in the app, you're able to view all your items. I can also search. I can go in. I can edit the item. I can delete the item. So go through and remove it. And there's also notifications to keep the users up to date with the updates with the app on the profile screen. That concludes the demo. In conclusion, LastSeen AI is designed to reduce the stress of searching for misplaced items and give people greater confidence and independence in their daily lives.